Okay, artists, after you open up the file, you're going to start by putting your name here. So Mrs. WT, and then go ahead and put your name here again. And if you have a title thought out, you'll put it here. The bouncing ball, should capitalize the B. From here, you're going to go to slide 2. This one's already a nice blank slide from you. You can grab a shape, do a circle. If you hold shift, it will make it a perfect circle. Change any colors you want. I'm going to make that transparent. And I have my first object. The idea of a stop motion animation is the item moves just a little bit. So I need to duplicate this to a third slide. And to do that, there's a few ways. I can right click on here and it says duplicate. Another option is if you go to edit, duplicate, right? So I made a copy of that slide. But the last way that I want to tell you about that's the fastest, and you can notice it here, is Control D. So hold down the Control key and press D. Now I have my second slide of the animation part. And I'm going to take my object and I want to move it just a little bit. So I might use just even the arrow keys. And then I'm going to come back over here, click slide 3, and then I'm going to duplicate. Come over here, move it just a little bit, and then I'm going to duplicate. And you're going to continue experimenting with movement as you duplicate and you create slides. If you want to preview it, go back to your first slide, hit slideshow in the top right. And now if I use my arrow key, I can watch how the item moves on the screen. One of the things you should really experiment with today is how do I make things move in space? Like how would I make it look like it was bouncing? How could I make it look like it's walking? Go ahead, take some time, experiment and play.